Flow App Review 2025 Period Tracker. Is it worth it? Tracking your menstrual cycle has never been easier, and the Flow app has become one of the most popular period trackers on the market. But in 2025, is it really worth downloading? Let's break it down. Most people get this wrong by thinking Flow is only for period tracking. The surprising truth is that it offers personalized health insights, fertility predictions, symptom logging, and even mental health tips. The app can predict ovulation, fertile windows, and period dates with increasing accuracy the more you log. This makes it valuable for users trying to conceive or simply better understand their cycles. The pros are strong. The interface is clean and easy to navigate. Daily health insights are personalized, and it integrates with other health apps to monitor activity, sleep, and weight. Premium features provide advanced cycle analysis, symptom trends, and expert content on reproductive health. Users can also log moods, cramps, and other symptoms, creating a holistic view of their health. On the flip side, there are cons. Some users feel the free version is limited and the premium subscription can be pricey. Data privacy is another consideration. While Flow claims to protect your information, storing sensitive health data on an app always carries some risk. Notifications can also be frequent, which may be distracting. In conclusion, Flow in 2025 remains one of the most comprehensive period tracker apps available. It's great for anyone wanting insight into their menstrual cycle, fertility, and overall reproductive health. The free version offers enough for basic tracking, while the premium subscription adds in-depth analysis and expert guidance. If understanding your cycle and health trends is important to you, Flow is definitely worth trying, but make sure you manage notifications and understand your privacy settings.